Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can make video slow motion in CapCut. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe. Without further ado, let's jump into video. First, open CapCut and then tap on new project here. Wait for opening CapCut Studio. Alright, then you can see there is a small button called import. Just tap on it. Then you have to upload the video you need to make slow motion. According to my computer, go to videos and I like to tap on this video. Okay, now you need to do is just scroll, just click and drag into the timeline. Then after, consider if you need to slow motion a little bit small part, you need to split this video clip to filter this part. You need to add slow motion. First you need to make the marker in the position. Then after, you can see there is option called split. Just tap on it and I like to split it this in here. Place the marker and tap on the split. Okay, I like to use slow motion for this part only. To do that, first you need to select that part. Then you can see there is option called speed in the right side menu. Just tap on it. Okay, then you can see currently it is 1.x speed. If you need to basic slow motion effect, just you can decrease this. Okay, now it is in 0.6 speed. And if you need a smooth slow motion, just tick this. Okay, you can see this video clip is size increased because this is currently slow motion. You can just play that video how it looks like. This is the normal area and this is slow motion area. Now I am running a normal area. Just tap on the play button. Okay, I think there is nothing happened in the video clip. Okay, wait for. Yes. Okay, I think this video has not enough detail to see the slow motion is happen or not. But this is how you can do the slow motion if you using that. And also you can see there is another option called curve. This is little bit advanced one. You can customize the slow motion according to that. I will show those things in another video. So after you do the smoothing and slow motion the video clip, then after you just tap on export and you can edit those information, add the title and add the change the resolution, bitrate and format and frame rate. And then after, you just tap on export. Then you can see the video will be exported and you can see how it is looks like. So thank you very much for watching this video, and if you think this video is useful, please consider subscribe and give the like button, and thank you very much.